Welcome to our YouTube channel Railway Maker Vivin sir. Don't time waste, let's start the first question. Question number 1. The gases used in different type of welding would include option A oxygen and hydrogen, option B oxygen, acetylene and argon, option C oxygen and acetylene, option D oxygen, hydrogen, acetylene and nitrogen. Your right answer is option C oxygen and acetylene. Next question number 2. Which of the following alloy is used for making magnet? Option A Duralion, option B stainless steel, option C alnico, option D manganium. Your right answer is option C alnico. Next question number 3. Permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of option A alum, option B sodium carbonate, option C lime, option D potassium permanganate. Your right answer is option B sodium carbonate. Next question number 4. Which of the following is the lightest gas? Option A nitrogen, option B hydrogen, option C ammonia, option D carbon dioxide. Your right answer is option B hydrogen. Next question number 5. Potassium nitrate is used in option A salt, option B glass, option C fertilizer, option D medicine. Your right answer is option D medicine. Next question number 6. In which type of rock are metals like gold and copper mostly found? Option A old igneous, option B old sedimentary, option C old metamorphic, option D new metamorphic. Your right answer is option A old igneous. Next question number 7. Which of the following gases is lighter than air? Option A carbon dioxide, option B oxygen, option C ammonia, option D chlorine. Your right answer is option C ammonia. Next question number 8. Which of the following metal remain in liquid form under normal condition? Option A uranium, option B radium, option C zinc, option D mercury. Your right answer is option D mercury. Next question number 9. Two or more form of a chemical element having different physical properties but rising to identical chemical compounds are called option A allotropes, option B isotopes, option C isomer, option D isotone. Your right answer is option A allotropes. Next question number 10. Which of the following is not a compound? Option A silica, option B red lead, option C slaked lime, option D black lead. Your right answer is option D black lead. Next question number 11. According to Dalton's atomic theory, the smallest particle which can exist independently is option A an atom, option B a molecule, option C a cation, option D an anion. Your right answer is option A an atom. Next question number 12. The dark lines in the solar spectrum are due to option A absorption of corresponding wavelength by the prism used in the spectrograph, option B destructive interference between waves of certain definite wavelength, option C absorption of corresponding wavelength by the outer layer of the sun, option D absence of corresponding wavelength from the light emitted by the core of the sun. Your right answer is option C absorption of corresponding wavelength by the outer layer of the sun. Next question number 13. The correct sequence of various regions in absorption spectrum is option A visible, ultraviolet, microwave, infrared, option B infrared, gamma ray, ultraviolet, microwave, option C ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave, option D microwave, visible, infrared, X-ray. Your right answer is option C ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave. Next question number 14. The wavelength of X-ray is of the order of option A 1 centimeter, option B 1 meter, option C 1 angstrom, option D 10 micron. Your right answer is option C 1 angstrom. Next question number 15. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers is option A Bohr's law, option B above principle, option C Newton's law, option D Pauli's explosion principle. Your right answer is option D, Pauli's explosion principle. Next question, question of 16. Enriched uranium used in a nuclear reactor is option A, uranium freed of all impurities, option B, uranium treated with radiation, option C, uranium alloyed with aluminum, option D, uranium with a high percentage of a particular isotope. Your right answer is option D, uranium with a high percentage of a particular isotope. Next question, question of 17. The main important feature of neutron bomb is that when it is dropped on a city, it will damage option A, both the living organism and buildings, option B, the buildings but not the living organism, option C, the living organism but spare buildings, option D, none of these. Your right answer is option C, the living organism but spare buildings. Next question, question 18. Which of the following shows the masses of the three elementary particles in decreasing order? Option A, mesons, baryons, leptons. Option B, leptons, baryon, mesons. Option C, baryons, mesons, leptons. Option D, leptons, mesons, baryons. Your right answer is option C, baryons, mesons, leptons. Next question, question number 19. The neutral atoms, two isotopes differ in the number of option A, electron shell, option B, protons, option C, valence electron, option D, neutrons. Your right answer is option D, neutrons. Next question, question number 20. Which of the following material are used for preparing blue black ink? Option A, gallic acid, option B, tannic acid, option C, ferrous sulfate, option D, all of these. Your right answer is option D, all of these. Next question, question number 21. The type of glass used in making lenses and prism is option A, soft glass, option B, Pyrex glass, option C, Gina glass, option D, flint glass. Your right answer is option D, flint glass. Next question, question number 22. Carbon tetrachloride fire extinguisher should not be used in closed room because it produces a poisonous gas called option A, carbon monoxide, option B, phosphine, option C, phosgene, option D, none of these. Your right answer is option C, phosgene. Next question, question number 23. Which of the following is used to coagulate synthetic fiber from solution? Option A, hydrochloric acid, option B, sulfuric acid, option C, nitric acid, option D, none of these. Your right answer is option B, sulfuric acid. Next question, question number 24. Wood is the main raw material for the manufacture of option A, paint, option B, paper, option C, ink, option D, gunpowder. Your right answer is option B, paper. Next question, question number 25. How does common salt help in separating soap from the solution after saponification? Option A, by decreasing solubility of soap, option B, by increasing solubility of soap, option C, by decreasing density of soap, option D, by increasing density of soap. Your right answer is option A, by decreasing solubility of soap. Next question, question number 26. Which of the following is commonly called polyamide? Option A, rayon, option B, orlon, option C, terylene, option D, nylon. Your right answer is option D, nylon. Next question, question number 27. The major constituent of Portland cement include option A, lime, silica and iron oxide, option B, lime, silica and magnesia, option C, silica, alumina and magnesia, option D, lime, silica and alumina. Your right answer is option D, lime, silica and alumina. Next question, question number 28. The major ingredient of leather is option A, carbohydrate, option B, collagen, option C, polymer, option D, nucleic acid. Your right answer is option B, collagen. Next question, question number 29. Glass is made for the mixture of option A, quartz and mica, option B, sand and salt, option C, sand and silicate, option D, none of these. Your right answer is option C, sand and silicate. Next question, question number 30. Epoxy resin are used as option A, mouth repellent, option B, insecticide, option C, detergent, option D, adhesive. Your right answer is option D, adhesive. Next question, question number 31. Water is neither acidic nor alkaline because option A, it cannot accept or donate protons, option B, it boils at a high temperature, Option C, it can dissociated into equal number of hydrogen ions. Option D, it cannot donate or accept electrons. Your right answer is option C, it can dissociate in equal number of hydrogen ions. Next question number 32. PVC is obtained by the polymerization of option A, propene, option B, vinyl chloride, option C, styrene, option D, acetylene. Your right answer is option B, vinyl chloride. Next question number 33. Superphosphate fertilizer is prepared by the reaction between option A, calcium phosphate and sulfuric hydroxide, option B, sodium phosphate and sodium nitrate, option C, magnesium phosphate and sodium nitrate, option D, sodium phosphate and phosphoric acid. Your right answer is option A, calcium phosphate and sulfuric hydroxide. Next question number 34. The final product of combustion of ethane are option A, carbon and oxygen, option B, ethylene and hydrogen, option C, water and carbon monoxide, option D, carbon dioxide and water. Your right answer is option D, carbon dioxide and water. Next question number 35. Which of the following metals can displace zinc from a solution of zinc sulfate? Option A, lead, option B, magnesium, option C, iron, option D, mercury. Your right answer is option B, magnesium. Next question number 36. Chemical change does not take place in case of option A, souring of milk into curd, option B, roasting of iron in atmosphere, option C, burning of magnesium ribbon in air, option D, emitting of light by a red hot platinum wire. Your right answer is option D, emitting of light by a red hot platinum wire. Next question number 37. Volcanization is a option A, science of studying volcanoes, option B, methods to degrade polymers, option C, process connected with the making of voltaic cell, option D, process of hardening of rubber by heating with sulfur. Your right answer is option D, process of hardening of rubber by heating up with sulfur. Next question number 38. Water gas is separated by passing option A, steam over white hot coke, option B, air over red hot coke, option C, methane over red hot coke, option D, steam over heated sulfur. Your right answer is option A, steam over white hot coke. Next question number 39. Soda acid fire extinguisher involves the reaction between option A, sodium hydroxide and nitric acid, option B, sodium bicarbonate and sulfuric acid, option C, sodium sulfate and carbonic acid, option D, sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Your right answer is option B, sodium bicarbonate and sulfuric acid. Next question number 40. The pink color of beer's reagent is discharged when acetylene is passed through it. This is due to the formation of option A, acetic acid, option B, ethylene, option C, water, option D, oxalic acid. Your right answer is option D, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is present in tomato. Next question number 41. A mixture of salt and sand can be separated by option A, sublimation, option B, dissolving in water, option C, gravity separation, option D, dry distillation. Your right answer is option B, dissolve in water. Next question number 42. The process by which an organic compound breaks down into simpler compounds on heating to high temperature is known as option A, aromatization, option B, polymerization, option C, pyrolysis, option D, reduction. Your right answer is option C, pyrolysis. Next question number 43. Which of the following metals react with nitrogen at room temperature to form nitride? Option A, sodium, option B, potassium, option C, magnesium, option D, none of these. Your right answer is option C, magnesium. Next question number 44. The ore of which of the following metal can be concentrated by hydraulic washing? Option A, tin, option B, sodium, option C, iron, option D, manganese. Your right answer is Option A tin. Next question number 45. In an ordinary dry cell, the electrolyte is option A sulfuric acid, option B manganese dioxide, option C ammonium chloride, option D zinc. Your right answer is option C ammonium chloride. Next question number 46. An electric motor runs on which principle? Option A electrical energy can be converted into chemical energy in the presence of magnetic field. Option B a conductor carry current in the direction perpendicular to the external magnetic field feels a force. Option C the current following through a conductor causes generation of heat that drives the engine. Option D changing magnetic field induces an electromagnetic force in a conductor. Your right answer is option B a conductor carry current in the direction of a perpendicular to the external magnetic field feels a force. Next question number 47. Which of the following pair of materials serves as electrode in chargeable battery commonly used in device such as torchlight, electric saver? Option A iron and cadmium, option B nickel and cadmium, option C lead peroxide and lead, option D zinc and carbon. Your right answer is option B nickel and cadmium. Next question number 48. Which of the following work on Bernoulli's principle? Option A gas lighter, option B gas stove, option C Bunsen burner, option D none of these. Your right answer is option C Bunsen burner. Next question number 49. The mixed oxide fuel is used for which of the following? Option A nuclear reactor, option B aeroplanes, option C cryogenic engines, option D PSLV rocket. Your right answer is option C cryogenic engines. Next question number 50. Conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy occur in option A dynamo, option B electric heaters, option C batteries, option D atomic bomb. Your right answer is option C battery. Next question number 51. Dialyzer is a option A meter used for controlling volume of sound, option B apparatus used for recharging batteries, option C special clock which indicates the day and date, option D apparatus sometimes used in patient with defective renal function. Your right answer is option D apparatus sometimes used in patient with defective renal function. Next question number 52. For which of the following is a diode used? Option A rectification, option B amplification, option C modulation, option D oscillation. Your right answer is option A rectification. Next question number 53. What is the nature of motion of machine needle? Option A rotatory and oscillatory, option B oscillatory and translatory, option C rotatory and translatory, option D vibratory and rotatory. Your right answer is option B oscillatory and translatory. Next question number 54. Cryogenic engine find applications in option A rocket technology, option B frost-free refrigerator, option C submarine propulsion, option D researches in superconductivity. Your right answer is option A rocket technology. Next question number 55. Which of the following instrument is used for measuring humidity of air? Option A hydrometer, option B epsometer, option C hygrometer, option D barometer. Your right answer is option C hygrometer. Next question number 56. The smallest object that can clearly be seen with the help of an optical microscope is of order of option A centimeter, option B millimeter, option C micrometer, option D nanometer. Your right answer is option D nanometer. Next question number 57. What is the function of a microprocessor in a computer? Option A it follow the keyboard to write on computer, option B it follow the outputs to be taken from a computer, option C it perform all the functions of a CPU, option D none of these. Your right answer is option C It perform all the functions of a CPU. Next question 58. By the use of the following, can the conversion of heat energy to electrical energy be achieved? Option A, thermocouple. Option B, triode valve. Option C, photoelectric tube. Option D, none of these. Your right answer is option A, thermocouple. Next question 59. Teletext means the process of converting black and white TV set into colored ones. Option E, flashing of telephone conversion on TV screen. Option C, flashing the text of the message on the telex machine. Option D, flashing of the text of news and information on the TV screen. Your right answer is option D, flashing of the text of news and information in the TV screen. Next question of 60. Which of the following combination of chromosome is present in males? Option A, XX chromosome. Option B, XXX chromosome. Option C, XY chromosome. Option D, XYX chromosome. Your right answer is option C, XY chromosome. Next question of 61. The saliva help in the digestion of option A, protein. Option B, fat. Option C, fiber. Option D, starch. Your right answer is option D, starch. Next question of 62. Detection of RH factor in an examples of option A, enzymatic reaction. Option B, chemical reaction. Option C, phagocytic reaction. Option D, immunologic reaction. Your right answer is option D, immunologic reaction. Next question of 63. Inside the body, blood does not coagulate due to the presence of option A, fibrin. Option B, hemoglobin. Option C, heparin. Option D, thromboplastin. Your right answer is option C, heparin. Next question of 64. Biological death of a patient means death of tissue of the option A, kidney. Option B, heart. Option C, lungs. Option D, brain. Your right answer is option B, heart. Next question. Radial keratomy, a surgical procedure, is used to cure option A, cataract. Option B, myopia. Option C, astigmatism. Option D, hypermetropia. Your right answer is option B, myopia. Next question of 66. Limb valves of human being are inherited by option A, plasmodium. Option B, tapeworm. Option C, eukarchia. Option D, euglena. Your right answer is option C, eucherichia. Next question of 67. The pitch of the voice of women is generally option A, same as that of men. Option B, higher than that of men. Option C, much lower than that of men. Option D, none of these. Your right answer is option B, higher than that of men. Next question number 68. During the development of an embryo, the formation of brain marks the beginning of organ formation. Eye in a vertebrate develops from midbrain. If after the formation of brain, the midbrain is destroyed, then what will be resultant effect? Option A, total failure of eye formation. Option B, development of single eye. Option D, defective development of eye. Option D, absence of vision in the eye. Your right answer is option C, defective development of eye. Next question number 69. The normal temperature of human body on the Kelvin scale is option A, 280. Option B, 290. Option C, 300. Option D, 310. Your right answer is option D, 310 Kelvin. Next question number 70. Clotting of blood vessel is called option A, thrombosis. Option B, rheumatism. Option C, agglutination. Option D, fibrolysis. Your right answer is option A, thrombosis. Next question number 71. Blood group of an individual is controlled by option A, shape of RBC. Option B, shape of WBC. Option C, genes. Option D, hemoglobin. Your right answer is option C, genes. Next question number 72. Which of the following form of an inversible complex with hemoglobin of blood. Option A carbon monoxide, option B carbon dioxide, option C pure nitrogen gas, option D a mixture of carbon dioxide and helium. Your right answer is option A carbon monoxide. Next question, question 73. Estrogen are secreted by option A follicle cells, option B ovary, option C germinal epithelium, option D stroma. Your right answer is option B ovary. Next question, question 74. Lungs are situated in option A buccal cavity, option B pericardial cavity, option C thoracic cavity, option D abdominal cavity. Your right answer is option C thoracic cavity. Next question, question number 75. The heart of human embryo starts beating option A in the first week of its development, option B in the third week of its development, option C in the fourth week of its development, option D in the sixth week of its development. Your right answer is option D in the sixth week of its development. Next question, question number 76. A person blood group will not have any antibodies if it is option A, option B, B, option C, O, option D, AB. Your right answer is option D, AB. Next question, question number 77. Which of the following is not a bone in the legs of human body? Option A radius, option B tibia, option C femur, option D fibula. Your right answer is option A radius. Next question, question number 78. Which of the following is not a vertebral organ? Option A centriole, option B molar tooth, option C appendix, option D diaphragm. Your right answer is option D diaphragm. Next question, question number 79. Which of the following bone articulations form the Gilding joint? Option A humerus and radius, option B carpals, option C hip girdles and femur, option D skull and neck vertebrate. Your right answer is option B carpals. Next question, question number 80. Ovulation is prevented by using option A IUD, option B copper T, option C infanticide, option D pills. Your right answer is option D pills. Next question, question number 81. Color of the skin is due to the presence of option A renin, option B melanin, option C melatonin, option D metatonin. Your right answer is option B melanin. Next question, question number 82. Pancreas secrete hormone which help in option A blood clotting, option B production of antibodies, option C growth of body, option D keeping sugar balance in body. Your right answer is option D keeping sugar balance in the body. Next question, question number 83. Inspections and dissection of a body after death in human beings as per determination of cause of death is called option A autograft, option B autotomy, option C autopsy, option D autophagy. Your right answer is option C autopsy. Next question, question 84. SA node of mammalian heart is known as option A autoregulator, option B pacemaker, option C time controller, option D beat regulator. Your right answer is option B pacemaker. Next question, question 85. Cylindrical glasses are used advised to a person suffering from option A night blindness, option B myopia, option C astigmatism, option D hypermetropia. Your right answer is option C astigmatism. Next question, question number 86. The hormone responsible for the secretion of milk in mothers is option A ACTH, option B luteinizing hormone, option C adrenaline, option D lactogenic hormone. Your right answer is option D lactogenic hormone. Next question, question number 87. Dash muscles is the strongest of all in the human body? Option A jaw, option B thigh, option C calf, option D upper arm. Your right answer is option B thigh muscles. Next question, question number 88. The normal temperature of the human body is option A 90 Fahrenheit, option B 98 degree Fahrenheit, option C 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, option D 96.4 degree Fahrenheit. Your right answer is Option C 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Next question 89. If a person can see an object clearly when it is placed and about 25 centimeter away from him, it is suffering from option A myopia, option B hypermetropia, option C astigmatism, option D none of these. Your right answer is option D none of these. Next question 90. Which of the following is not a function of kidney? Option A regulations of blood pressure, option B secretion of antibiotics, option C removal of urine, option D regulation of acidity of body fluids. Your right answer is option B secretion of antibiotics. Next question 91. Pituitary gland is present, option A below the brain, option B above the brain, option C inside the brain, option D now here near the brain. Your right answer is option A below the brain. Next question 92. Element present in largest amount in human body is option A hydrogen, option B nitrogen, option C oxygen, option D carbon. Your right answer is option C oxygen. Next question 93. How many bones are there in human body? Option A 180, option B 198, option C 26, option D 210. Your right answer is 206 bones. Next question 94. Which of the following organ is used in the purification of blood in human body? Option A liver, option B kidney, option C spleen, option D lungs. Your right answer is option D lungs. Next question 95. In Homo sapiens fertilization occur in the body? Option A uterus, option B ovary, option C vagina, option D oviduct. Your right answer is option D oviduct. Next question 96. The chief nitrogenous waste in humans is option A ammonia, option B ammonium nitrate, option C urea, option D uric acid. Your right answer is option C urea. Next question 97. The prenatal technique used to see an image of the growing fetus in the womb is called option A radiotherapy, option B X-ray marking, option C ultrasound, option D amniocentesis. Your right answer is option C ultrasound. Next question 98. The first human hormone synthesized with the help of biotechnology was option A prostaglandin, option B interferon, option C pituitary hormone, option D somatostatin. Your right answer is option A prostaglandin. Next question 99. Sweat gland occur in greatest number in the skin of the option A forehead, option B armpits, option C back, option D palm of hand. Your right answer is option B armpits. Next question, and this is today the last questions. Question number 100. Which of the following organs convert glycogen into glucose and purifies the blood? Option A liver, option B kidney, option C lungs, option D spleen. Your right answer is option A liver. If you like, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.